Kamala Das is seen as one of the breakthrough poets, primarily because she inspired so many younger female poets when she published her first book, Summer in Calcutta, in 1965, which shook the world of Indian English poetry. A Hot Noon in Malabar by Kamala Das. The opening line sets the poem in the present, at least in the mind of the speaker. It is noon. First beggars appear, men from the hills with parrots in cages and well-worn fortune cards. Then Kurava girls arrive with their old eyes. They read palms, telling a person's fate and future fortune from the lines on the skin. Bangle sellers are next with dusty-colored bangles for sale. They've walked for miles and have cracked heel skin, so they make a rough sound on the wooden porch. The speaker narrates in detail, initially giving the reader the impression that this is the here and now. But the scenario is playing in the mind and the images are from the past. Present and past mingle, as if her mind is drifting. Lines 12-23. The opening few words of the 12th line repeat the first. This reinforces the memory and the emotional attachment. At noon come strangers looking in, men with hot eyes who are thirsty, looking at the well. They have mistrust in their eyes and are mostly silent, but when they speak, they are wild. There are wild men, thoughts, and love. The speaker's thoughts filled with images of bangle sellers, Kurava girls, and beggars. The speaker narrates in detail at the beginning of the poem, giving the reader the impression that it is happening right now, but the scenario is actually playing out in the speaker's head, and the images are from the past. The crucial word surprising is followed by dots, an ellipsis, in the 11th line, which splits the poem in half and suggests a lingering memory or image. It seems as though the speaker's thoughts are straying between the past and the present. The poem's first few lines are repeated in order to emphasize the emotional connection and recollection.